Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly forex outlook, where we go over the charts and go over the potential opportunities that we could be expecting to see in the coming week. Last week was meant to be a great week. Last week was meant to be an anomaly because there were so much opportunities last week, and I couldn't take advantage of all of them. I missed quite a number of opportunities, but I'm still quite sad because even the ones I was able to catch, I don't know if it's the fault of the broker or the prop firm. The trade ended up going my way, but when I went back to look at my MT5, I saw I was stopped out. So I just really felt bad, and I was really confident in those trades. I wasn't surprised that the trades went in that direction. I was really confident in those trades. I added more positions because I was really expecting the trades to go, the way it did. It was just I just felt so bad that I couldn't back that as a win. Yeah, but I think it'd be easier if I show you guys, what happened instead of just talking about it. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the charts. So the first trade I took was a trade on AUD card. Now, if you remember in my previous weekly outlook video, I took a short here, and this trade came shy of my take profit. I think about 8 pips or 9 pips, and went back up, took me out at break even, came back to this level, made this sort of double top formation over here. First top, push down, second top, push down, breaking the neckline. Now I took another entry on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, when the market broke out of here, came back, rejected this level, gave me this bearish engulfing. I entered here, put my stop loss above here. The market pushed down for a bit and came back to revisit these highs. Now I understand why this trade must have been stopped out. If you look over here, this is obviously spread. I had like a tight stop loss. I'm not pissed at this trade, although I don't know, for some reason, why of all the card crosses that we had, AUD card was the one that chose not to. It just ranged for a long time. The rest card crosses just fell like I predicted them to do, but AUD card was the one that was like the real pain in the ass. So it pushed back up into this level. I guess spread took me out here. This was not the one that got me upset, to be honest, but this was a beautiful trade. I followed the plan. I did everything right. Break of neckline, retest, engulfing, entered here, stop loss above, the profit below. This was just unfortunate. If I had my stop loss a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 pips higher, maybe I would still be in this trade. But yeah, this one stopped me out. I closed my eyes for a bit and opened my eyes, and I thought, when I opened my eyes, I saw this market all the way down here. I thought I was going to be in profit, but I woke up and saw that the trade was taken out, which was fine. I can understand this one, but the one that really pissed me off was this trade on USD CHF. I explained my premise for this trade in the last weekly forex outlook video. This level was a level of previous resistance that the market had come back to revisit as support. The market came here on the 1 hour time frame, which was where I entered, made this left head, right shoulder, broke out of this neckline. I entered on the on this quick entry here, had my stop loss all the way down here, my take profit. Okay, market moved in my direction the first day, puts me in drawdown, almost stopping me out. Right after that, I was still holding this trade. Then when the market broke out of this level over here, I think on this blue candle here, I added another position because I was so confident in this trade. The weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame were pushing to the upside, so I added another position over here to capitalize on this move. Okay, remember I entered here at the close of this blue candle. Spread puts me up here. Then I think I went out that day and I was really stressed. I went and I just closed my laptop and I went to bed. And when I opened my eyes, I checked my trading view. I saw the market all the way here. I was super excited. I was like, let's go. Only for me to open my MT5 and see that I was stopped out on this push down before the move up. And like, even if it was going to be able to stop out this second trade over here, which was like 6 or 5.6 pips, what about this one that's about 8 pips? So I saw stop loss hits on both trades, and I just felt like it wasn't a good feeling. And sure enough, the very next like after this stop loss, the consecutive candle just pushed all the way to my take profit, and it was just sad. It was sad to experience. This is not the first time this sort of thing has happened to me before, but I only used to experience it with, like, take for example this AUD card trade. It was like just 2 pips, so that spread, you could give that to spread, but 5, 6, 8 pips, that was really foul. It was a foul play in my opinion. But yeah, we're not going to dwell on that over here. The good takeaway to take from these experiences was that the fact that my analysis was spot on. And most of these trades I called them out. I predicted the direction of the market even from Sunday. So if you have been following my weekly outlook videos I drop every Sunday, you see I give the directions, I give the conditions which I'm expecting the market to play out. So it's not like something I just do like in my spare time. It's like a pre-planned analysis, and it's just nice to see that I'm on the right track, so to say. It sucks for the trade to hit stop loss when it never really did, but it's nice to see that I'm on the right track and we can only move forward from here. We're not going to cry or whine about it, just going to move forward from here. Maybe in the future I'm going to be adding a little bit more buffer to my trades, but then again, how much buffer can I really add if a trade is going to take me out for 8 pips? I just don't know, but it is what it is. Let's go over the trades that I missed that were super clean as well. Euro card, I think this was my favorite pair for the week on Sunday, and the market gave us this left head right shoulder break, and on the 1 hour gave us a retest. On the 1 hour gave us a retest. It gave us a retest. I saw this. I wasn't comfortable entering over here. Entering over here. Or what happened? I think I saw this market when this other candle had closed. This one over here. This candle had closed. So I put a sell limit. Meaning if the market would retrace back into this level, I want to enter. But if you look over here, like I said, left head, right shoulder, break, retest. This is an evening star formation. This would have been a beautiful entry, but I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't like in front of my charts at this time. I saw the market after the close of the next candle. because even if I had seen this entry over here, I would have put like a sell limit somewhere here or here. But the fact that I saw it after, why I'll put the sell limit is to enter on the next week entry somewhere here. But as I saw it over here, I still put the sell limit somewhere here, and the market never really came up to fill me in on this level, so I missed that one. And that was like the same story for most of the trades. Like, go over to NZD card, market consolidated. Again, all these trades I broke down last week Sunday. So if you're interested in the analysis behind all these trades, you can go back and watch the previous weekly outlook video. I'm just going to run through them so the video doesn't get too long, and so we'll be able to cover the pairs that we have for this week. The market was in a downtrend. It broke out of this level, came back, retested, and if you look over here, it made this sort of consolidation. You can look at just a double top or a consolidation over to a 1 hour time frame. After its consolidation, double top, the market broke out of this level over here. This would have been the entry. I missed this one too. Entry, stop loss, take profit 1 to 3. The market just melted all the way to the downside. AUD card was the only pair that chose to be a pain in behind. I really do not know why. Maybe there was an Aussie news during the week. I really don't pay attention to news like that anymore. So I really don't know why AUD card chose to keep ranging like that. So yeah, I also missed this one. This is why I said last week was supposed to be like a phenomenal week. I also missed this trade on GBP card, but this really wasn't one I would have been confident enough to take, because the entry confirmation wasn't just the cleanest. The market broke below this level, came back, retested, but the rejection on the 1 hour is, I would have wanted to see like a clean double top. This is a double top, however it's not as clean as I would have wanted to see. This engulfing isn't as this is not one I can confidently say I will take, but the premise, the opportunity remains the same. So what is important is that we are able to learn from these kinds of opportunities. GBP card is not one I'll be able to bet my money and say, oh, this is a trade I'll definitely have taken, but it was an opportunity nonetheless, and I think I spoke about this as well on the Sunday weekly outlook, so you can go back and check. Euro AUD, this was also a painful one. Most of the trades you see, last week I put these arrows here. I wanted a break and a retest, and that was exactly what it did. It broke out of this level, retested, rejected, and I also saw this trade at the close of this week entry. And if there's one thing I don't do, I don't chase trades. I'm not going to try to enter somewhere here because I missed the entry here, or start trying to chase the market, or I just don't. I missed the trade. But I was busier than usual last week, and that was the reason why I missed many of these trades. I had a lot of moving around and doing a lot of work, so I wasn't really as active as I usually am. So I missed a lot of these opportunities. But what is important is the idea behind the trade, which I think I also spoke about on the last weekly outlook video. The market came to this, rejected off the weekly around this level, broke below this previous level that could have potentially be used as support, came back, retested and rejected, and on the 4 hour time frame you can see the shift of structure, the left head, right shoulder, or the double top formation at this level over here. So I waited for a break and a retest of the neckline of this double top, and that's what the market did here and dropped. GBP NZD is also one that I missed, but If I had taken this trade, I would have lost this one, to be completely transparent. So I guess I'm glad I missed this one as well. But I also spoke about GBP I told you guys, I spoke how the range, I was trying to tell you guys that the range wasn't big enough, but I used the ruler tool and I measured it and it was over 150 pips. So over 150 pips. And the market came, gave us a double top engulfing. This way I would have entered stop loss above, but the markets would have taken us out. So I guess I'm glad. I still feel like this market is going to drop, but would have been stopped at this point. And so for me to be interested in this trade again, we have to come maybe take out this major level, because as you can see, the market rejected strongly off this level because this is a strong support. So we have to wait for the market to take out this level to be interested once again. USD card is a trade that should be in right now, but I think I took those losses on Thursday and I just decided not to trade again for the week. And this trade happened on Friday. I didn't want to rush into a trade out of emotion, but if you can see, the market has been an uptrend. It broke out of this level, came back, retested, made a double top hammer candle, which should have been a beautiful entry after the double top. Entered here, stop loss below, target above. But like I said, I didn't want to risk more trades more money last week, so I decided to sit out this one and just wait for the new week, so I would not be taking a trade off of emotions. So this week, let's go over the trades that we could potentially have this week. I still see an opportunity on USD card. I still feel like this market is going to keep going up. So if this market retraces down a little bit, I might be interested. I don't know. This rejection is quite heavy, but I feel like the market is going to fill this week and push to the upside. AUD USD. I'm expecting a drop off of AUD USD. You can see the market has been bearish, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high. So this week, the market has given us this sort of left head, right shoulder, but it hasn't given us like a clean break of the neckline. So potentially, we're going to be looking for a break, retest, look for shorts to the downside. Bearish on AUD USD. I'm also bearish on GBP USD. The market has rejected off this major level, give us like this double top, but the market has not. So we're going to be waiting for the market to retest the neckline of this double top, reject, for us to look for shorts to the downside. Next on my list is going to be CAT EHF. I don't know if this market is going to be playing out next week, but the market has pushed quite far away from this previous level of resistance that could be used as support. However, the concept is still the same. It's going to be expecting the market to pull back into this level, reject, to continue the trend, the move to the upside. Next pair on my list is AUD NZD. AUD NZD has finally broken out of this tight consolidation it was having here and out of this resistance. So going to be anticipating the market pull back, retest, reject, if we look for longs to the upside, or going to be expecting the market to break out of this level of resistance, retest here, that we could be looking for longs to the upside. These are the two scenarios that we could be looking for on AUD NZD. Euro JPY. Now I'm bearish on Euro JPY. I've been bullish on the yen pairs, but the market tried multiple times to bounce off of this level. It tried over here once, came back down, tried over here again, came back down, and now it has finally broken and closed below this level. So I'm going to be expecting a pullback, rejection to sell at least to this support level. So I'm bearish on Euro JPY. I'm also bearish on Euro USD. The market never gave us this pullback which we were anticipating last week. However, the market has broken below this previous support, so we're going to be anticipating a pullback, rejection to the downside to continue the downtrend. Next pair on my list is the Swiss franc JPY. Same thing as the Euro JPY. The market tried to bounce off this level multiple times, once, twice, and now it has failed and closed below this level. So this week I'm expecting a pullback, rejection to the downside. So we're bearish on CHF JPY. And I'm also bearish on NZD JPY. Last week we were anticipating a push into this level to look for rejections. However, the market never did that. It came and broke below this previous level of support, and the market has closed below this level. So right now I'm going to be anticipating a pullback, rejection to continue the trend to the downside. Next pair on my list is GBP JPY. Again, the market will be looking for buys around this level, but the market came here, tried once, tried twice, and it has failed to hold above this level. So now the market is below this level. We're going to be anticipating a pullback, retest, rejection to look for shorts to the downside. So that's going to be all the pairs I'm going to be interested in on the FX side. Let's go over to the indices pair. The indices pairs, they moved really nicely last week. These were one of some of the pairs that really had a beautiful move. If you trade the indices last week, must have been a really good week for you. I personally, I don't trade it, but I like to analyze it because I have people ask me questions about the indices, so I just analyze it and give my honest opinion. The market, I spoke about this on the last Sunday weekly outlook, and I spoke how the market has come back into the strong level of previous resistance that could be used as support. The market came here, made this left head and funny right shoulder, and it broke out of this level on the 1 hour time frame. Over to the 1 hour time frame, you see that clearly. You can see the left head, right shoulder, and the market broke out of this level. This would have been a perfect entry over here. Entry here, stop loss under, target above. I drew this while this was playing out, and it played out beautifully. The market respected this level, came back, put us in. It would have put you into a little bit of drawdown, but the buyers came in and pushed the market all the way to the upside, which was beautiful to see. Next pair was the NAS 100. It was also a beautiful, which also gave us a beautiful bullish momentum to the upside. I also spoke about this on the last episode of the weekly forex outlook, and the market had broken up out of this previous resistance and came back here to use it as support. You can see the market going to give us one bottom, push up, second bottom, and hammer. If you go and look at my entry video, you see the candlesticks I use on my entries, the hammer, the bullish engulfing, the morning and the evening stars, or the close above and close below candles, and this was a clean double bottom and a clean hammer. So this is where I got my entry, stop loss under, target above. This trade will still be running if you were able to get into any of these trades. That would be pretty nice. And the last one was the SPX 500. I didn't really see the US oil has not really, it's still in the range. Maybe we'll just look at that before we go over to Bitcoin. And yes, same scenario on the SPX 500. A strong point of resistance, market broke out, we tested one bottom, push up, second bottom, hammer, candle confirmation, entry, stop loss, target above. The market will be right around the TP right now. So the indices pairs moved really nicely this week. They moved really nicely this week, and it was really nice to see. So let's just take a look at the US oil before we go over to Bitcoin and why I wasn't really interested in US oil. The US oil has been in this range for quite a while now. It has been moving between these highs and these lows. See over here, it came here, made like a fake out, pushed up, came back down, pushed up, made a fake out to the upside, came back down, pushed up, came back down, pushed up, fake out, came back down, and now it's back at this resistance. So right now we really don't know what to expect. The market could continue in this range, continue going up and down. However, if the market is able to break out of this level retest, we could be looking for buys. If the market should fake this level again, break back below, give us a retest, we could be looking for sales. So that's US oil is currently at a 50-50 level. Don't really have much of a bias until the market is ready to give us a direction. Then we'll be paying attention to US oil once again. So last but not the least, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been moving, wow, beautifully, for lack of a better word, so beautifully. I currently own a number of Bitcoin, so it's really nice to see. Like, even if I'm not able to catch a trade on Bitcoin, it's good to see the analysis. I've been bullish on Bitcoin for quite a while, and it's good to see the analysis playing out, and also the fact that I'm actually getting more value out of my Bitcoin is also pretty nice. Bitcoin is currently at 98,833 at the time of this recording. I think I saw it at all the way at 100k at some point. Was it 100k or 99,000? Okay, 99,000 something. Which is really nice. But Bitcoin has not made any significant pullbacks. Does not really made any significant pullbacks, which I'm going to be expecting. Maybe he hits 100k first, or maybe not. But I'll really be waiting at the 92 or 93. $93,000 level before looking for a trade, and this level feels Bitcoin could come back to 87k and even lower. However, we're currently bullish on Bitcoin, and there is no indication that it's ready to slow down anytime soon. So we keep, the trend is your friend until the end, so we keep trying to look for opportunities to continue riding this trend. Let me go over to the 4-hour time frame to see if there are any levels where we could catch short-term moves. Yeah, no, I'm not really seeing any other strong levels over here. So going to be waiting for the market to pull back into this level, like I said, the $93,000 level, and wait for a bounce off of this level to see further moves to the upside. And that is going to be the analysis for Bitcoin. Thanks for tuning in today and for watching the video. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I would look through them and try to answer them as best as I can. Yeah, Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.